Okay folks, today we got a really sharp truck. Lifted 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. It's the high country. Got 37-inch tires. Got step bars on it. It's a high country, so it's loaded up. Of course, power seats. Got the memory, Bose sound. Step bars. Got towing package on the back. Got the rolling lock system for the bed. Power seats, passenger side as well. Looks good. Good here. See, navigation. Of course, got a backup camera. Heated, cooled seats, power pedal adjust. You got USB right here, and got your regular, household plug right there. 137,000 miles. Also, sometimes these videos, folks, it makes it look like the lights are flickering. They're not. It's just the way the light reflects. You also got some more USB in here, and of course Bluetooth. The Chevrolet MyLink. Smooth. Got a lift kit on it. You can always tell when they're done right. Drive smooth. Drive straight. Folks, so that's it. A couple more looks around the interior. Really nice high country. Lifted. If we can help you with anything, give us a call, 731-968-2812, or visit us online at snsAutosale.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.